And when I grow up, I will eat sweets every day on the way.
I don't think so. I mean, I spent a lot of time going to see Gilbert and Sullivan with my grandmother when I was young, and that joy of playful words probably had a huge influence on me. Jesus Christ Superstar was a big thing for me. But, you know, equally the Beatles and the Kinks and the Stones and, you know, Deep Purple and, you know, and Tom Stoppard and Shakespeare. I mean, I just love anyone who tells stories in a unique way, and that's all I care about. Even with my music, all I care is that they help tell the story. I'm not trying to write hit singles.
So, is this the first actual musical you've done?
I wrote my first songs for a musical when I was 17, and I wrote a lot of scores in my early 20s, but just in youth theatre and back home in Perth. And then I became known as a comedian, and then I got back to doing this. So.
What kind of adjustment did you have to make from songwriting to writing songs for a show?
I don't know, I feel like this is actually what my songwriting suits. Writing music for theatre. I'm not really a pop songwriter, and I've always written music for theatre, as I say, since I was a teenager. So what doing Matilda for the Royal Shakespeare Company was a massive leap in scale and in the people I was surrounded with and in implications. But I had written a musical just 2 years or 3 years earlier for a regional theatre company in New South Wales, and the job's the same. It's just that now I'm here.
When I grow